Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can use macros in Excel. So let's get started. First, open your Excel sheet and click on the Developer tab at the top. If you don't see it, go to File, then Options, then Customize Ribbon, and check the box for Developer. Now, on the Developer tab, click Record Macro. Give your macro a name and choose where to store it in this workbook, or a new one, then click OK. Excel is now recording your actions. Perform the steps you want automated, for example, formatting cells, inserting formulas, or adjusting layout. When done, go back to the Developer tab and click Stop Recording. To run your macro, click Macros, select your saved macro, and click Run. Excel will instantly repeat all the recorded steps for you. You can also assign your macro to a button by going to Insert, choosing Button, and linking it to your macro. And that's it now. You know how to create and use macros in Excel to automate repetitive tasks easily. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.